Do you ever wish you could offer a way to ensure customers spend money on your business? With this feature, you can. Gift cards function as a flexible prepaid balance, allowing customers to purchase and receive store credits. Let's learn how to use them. Navigate to the gift cards and click Create Gift Card. Enter a name, short description, how the card can be redeemed, and any usage restrictions, eligibility rules, or other conditions applicable to this gift card. Customize your card. You can either create a color gradient or upload your own artwork via your media storage. Enter the values that the card can be worth and create your card. This feature helps you easily improve your cash flow and secure sales while also serving as a mini advertisement and improving brand loyalty with repeat visits from customers who want to use their balance. Now you can create gift cards that help you silently create strong social recommendation chains and introduce them to your business without missing revenue. We hope you enjoy it.